Make $62 a day on ClickBank affiliate marketing system, which is free tropic ClickBank products source and way to promote your ClickBank products. So what's up guys, my name is Na and you are watching Gainman and Trick channel. If you are new to our community, consider subscribing and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. So we have different strategies, different tips and tricks for making money online, whether you are using affiliate marketing system. So we have affiliate marketing tutorials here, or clickbank tutorials we have. If you are using making money online with legitimate website, you can visit our playlist legitimate website for online making money online jobs. If you want to make money with freelance jobs, so we have other playlist with best freelance website tutorials you can find and visit. If you are working with Fiverr tutorials, so here are the tips, tricks and strategy on how to make money online with Fiverr actually. So let's jump into the main website, and I will show you that how you can make $62 a day with this super amazing ClickBank affiliate marketing free traffic source that you have never seen before. It is absolutely a new way to make money online with ClickBank actually. So first of all, when we go to the ClickBank account, we are searching for something different. For example, the categories e-business in e-marketing and e-business in e-marketing. I'm selecting sort by gravity. Once I select the gravity, then I use the first product that most people are promoting actually, and they have a great conversion rate actually. So this the gravity is that 185.82 means, which is great and the best. Gravity means many people are promoting an e-business in e-marketing. This is the first product that you can promote and it will convert very easily. So how you will do that? Simply you can click here to see the main page. So this is the main page that we need to promote. It is a simple video that they say fact, if you can order a pizza, you can make money with this system actually. And this is the complete video, 12-minute affiliate marketing system. So you can watch this the whole video if you like. And if you don't, so you can simply promote this offer and make $62 a day or more or plus actually. So if you make one sale, you will get $62 actually. So what we need to do is just click on the promote. Once I click on the promote, before clicking the promote, you can see their affiliate page. Also, if there is something great for you that you can promote, and they can help you, for example, in promoting actually. So you can see their affiliate page here, what they are offering here. So they offer many things here. For example, they have a free video. You can use the same video also, and they give some information about EPC and CPC and others that you can make money with this system. So JB notification list, get your affiliate link. So if you are not signed up, you can get your affiliate link also here without signing up with the ClickBank account. So product details, these are the product details that if you are promoting, you need to see these product details, and you can then promote simple plug and play activation in as little as 12 short minutes. Easily earn commissions in the biggest and most profitable niche markets. Build a huge email list quickly and easily. Follow up with your leads for months on complete autopilot. Promote your affiliate products with a click of a button, even on social media. Perfect for newbie and intermediate marketers. So if you are promoting, you should use and focus on these points that if you can mention that there, so that the conversion rate will be more and very easily. So there are multiple ways to earn commission. So these are all the details that you need to have if you want. So these are the banners, promotional banners are here. So you can use, if you want to use this banner, you can simply copy paste, or you can grab this link if you have a website or blog, so you can use that. And these are other banners you can use. So these are all the banners and photos if you want to use on your blog or simply on the video or somewhere else. So you can use these promo swaps. So these are, for example, the emails. Actually, they give you each and everything, subject and subject line two, and they give, for example, the email address. Not the email address, actually the email template, and this is one, this is two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. Okay, so they are very long emails that you can simply copy and then paste to your email list, and you can send to the people. Actually, they are having more than 15, I think 16. Okay, 16 emails they have ready for you. If you send continuously to uh, a customer, so they can simply buy your product and you can make money easily. But what we need to do here with this, we can simply use a simple strategy here. So what will be that? That is an website at post.com. So at post.com is a worldwide range website that everybody can add post for free, and it's absolutely free classified ads that you can use, and they have more than over 30 million viewers per month. Actually, the best part is that they have 30 million visitors per month, and they are having the categories by the countries. If you click on, so what we need to do here is just come to this website. I will leave the link in the description of this video, so you can just click through the description of this video. And once you come here, so you can select the country. Once you select the country, then you can see other page. So that will be like that, and you can just go to login or register. So you can sign up for this website, which is free. You can click. Once you click here, then you will have another page like this one, which requires your username, password, again password, first name, last name, email address, and then you can scroll down to the bottom and select your gender, male or female. So country, United States, you can select. I prefer to use United States because we will promote uh, sometime the products through United States. So if you use the United States, it doesn't matter. But if you use your own country, it doesn't matter. It is worldwide. You can find your own country and you can select your own country. It doesn't matter really. So state is their city, company. These are optional if you are using or not. Another thing is that website, you can add your website. So you can just go to your hop link, generate hop link. You can copy this one is okay. I can copy this. Then I can go to Bitly. And I can here, okay, this is my link, promotional link. So I can copy this. Once I copy this, then I can go back and paste it here. So this is something like my website. If anyone click here, so they can simply redirect to the page, affiliate page, and they can buy. And then at the last, you can click the submit button or submit information. So once you're done with here, you will see another page like this one, and that you will be logged into the page actually. So what we need to do here, we can post actually. So how we can post? Before posting, you need to select the country from where to post. Okay. So I'm logging now. Once you log in, so you can come, for example, United States. You can click on the United States. Okay. So once you click on the United States, they will see another page which will ask you from post ad. Okay, you can click on the post ad. Once you click on the post ad, they will say, please choose a section to post your free ads. So what section you are going to do, or what section you are going to post the ads. So as actually it is business opportunity, we can use business, product and services. So you can come here and select the business opportunity. And what they say other here, they are having three types of post actually. And the simple post they are having for free actually. If you want to feature your post to reach more people, then you can actually buy and purchase or pay the money for that. but no need actually for that. You can use the pay method, the free method, and that is absolutely working, so you can do that. So that is full post is there, quick post is there, and multiple posts is there. Means by one time you can do multiple posts at one time. So you will do easily. And it is also a great way to do that. So this is one five posts you can do by one time. Okay. You can choose simply the categories, have category, caption you can add price, advertiser, you can use what offer it is offer forum free, what is that actually advertiser, agent and owner you can see. So I just post on full post, click on the full post, okay, then you can scroll down and add your post. For example, you can choose your category, what category is there, for example. So that is absolutely e-business, e-marketing actually. So you can use in actually, let me see. Marketing, okay, you can use marketing and you can see the caption or header. For example, it is offered, and this is the caption you can add. So by this case you can add the description here. Once you add the description, the most important part is here that you can also mention and your description. For example, you can simply use these promo swap. Actually, you can use these email and the description if you want, so it really works. And you can also use that the simple thoughts that they said, this picture you can also use, and the description. At the last of description you can add your email address, means the link, your affiliate link also here. And then you can select the price, and then you can select best offer, forum free or something like that. And you can choose, for example, your price or your, for example, the money, that what is that actually, it's US dollars you can get. If you want to pay with through your PayPal, you can add your PayPal account here, but does it really doesn't matter, you don't need to do that. You can just scroll down, then add your name, company, address, zip code, city and others, and last country. And at the last you can go here and add your website again if it is available. Means if you're using the same product that you have every day or something like that, so it is presented here. But if you are changing on any other product, then you can copy the link here and paste it here. Also at the last you can preview the ad and force, and boom, it is the best way to promote uh, your affiliate products on this way. So it is a great way to make money online with this system. I also show you in other videos the free classified ad, the free ad forums and others, but this is really working, and this is also a great way to make money online with that, because the reason is that they have more than 30 million visitors per month actually, and it is the best, and it's absolutely free way. So that is all for the whole ClickBank tutorial that I have made and find for you. So if you like, please give it a thumb up and comment me below anything regarding how to make money online, how to get passive income, and how to work from home. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. And like and comment is nothing for you, but for me a big motivation. So thank you for your support, and thank you for your motivation for all the time. So till next brand video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments.